All right, I'm gonna work this thing out and let you see how to do it. Notice we have this import line. I'm gonna try to give that to you automatically in programs that need it, but you need that at the top of a program if you're going to use array lists. So I'm asking you to create a string array list called courses. So you say array list, less than symbol, string, greater than symbol, courses, that's the name, equals new array list, string, and then open and close parens. And then semicolon. That's because we're calling the constructor. It's just like if we said scanner, scan equals new scanner, and then there's parentheses, or frog equals new frog, and then there's parentheses after the frog. That's why there's parentheses there. And then I'm asking you to add each of your Annaly courses using a separate add call. So I'm going to add the classes I teach, courses.add. You should add the classes you're taking. Teach a computer programming class. Make. I teach this class. I'm going to just call it the 3 different classes I teach, even though I teach 5 classes altogether. The make, I do 3 makes. All right, and then I ask you to print the array list using a single system.out.println call. Let's run it and see what happens. There it is. There's these brackets around it. That's how it prints when you just print. Print the size of the array list using the .size method with size in front of the number. All right, I'm gonna copy this just to save myself courses. Let's see, size in front of the number. I want size plus, and then courses dot size. That's all I'm talking about. That's how you get how big a thing is. We should get 3, because that's how many things are in it. Print the array list using a for each loop, an enhanced for loop, all uppercase, 1 item per line. All right. So for string X courses. I'm going to change that to C for a course. And then I want each one on its own line. I'm only doing 1 line inside the print, so I don't have to use curly brackets. System.out.println C dot to uppercase. I'm gonna run it again. This would be wise for you to do too. Just make sure everything's working as you go along, rather than getting up to your eyeballs in it and then having it still not be working. All right, print the array list using a regular for loop and the get method, all lowercase. So back to here. For int I equals 0, I less than courses dot size, I plus plus. I want all lowercase this time. Courses square bracket dot get parentheses I, and then dot to lowercase. Crazy, but that's it. So I'm going to put a space here so you can see that's inside. That's the print parentheses, and then this is courses.get I being the variable from the for loop, dot to lowercase makes each one lowercase as we're printing them. Oh, I wanted them indented by 2 spaces, so that would be quote space space quote plus. So watch, that'll just indent it. I'm asking for that. It makes it easier for me to read real quickly when I'm scoring your project, but those are all lowercase, right? Print the array list using a single system.println call. I guess we already did that, but my instructions ask you to do it again, so we're going to do it again. And that's the sample output. So yeah, so it's just bookended by this printing it normally. Bloop. All right, that's that.